नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. व्याकरण कट्टा या आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत इयत्ता 9वी आणि 10वी इंग्रजी पेपरमधील रायटिंग स्पीच म्हणजेच आपण रायटिंग स्किलमधला स्पीच बघतोय आणि विषय आहे आपला सब्जेक्ट आहे दी योगा डे. Good morning to all teachers and respected principal and my dear friends. Today I am standing here to speak a few words on the occasion of the International Yoga Day. Every year we celebrated Yoga Day on 21st June. Yoga is the ancient practices that starts in our Indian thousands of years ago. It is not only to exercise but also a way to keep our body, mind, and soul healthy. By doing yoga daily, we can improve the concentration increases and in our strength and life in stress-free life. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi proposed the idea of the celebration Yoga Day in the United Nations in 2014, and now it is the celebrated all over the world. Some importance of yogasanas are Surya Namaskaras, Pranayam, Padmasana, and Bhujang Asana, etc. These have in a improving the breathing and blood circulation with the flexibility. We as a student must make yoga a part of our daily routine. Only 15 to 20 minutes of yoga every day can you make us the energetic and the healthy and the happy. I would like to say that yoga is not just about exercise, it is a way to live and balance life. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.